Next question that we have is from Vishwanatha Reddy, who's writing us from Andhra Pradesh. He's got around 305 shares of Vedanta at the levels of 104 since 2017. He wants to know if he can sell or hold now, considering the price has touched almost its all-time high. He's sitting on profits of around 1.7 lakh rupees. Kosh, what should he do?
Oh, you should continue to hold. I mean, there is a good, strong momentum in the stock. While it is overheated, given the kind of time horizon that he has, there's a good idea, there's a good possibility that, even in the similar time frame from here on, the stock will continue to run up. Of course, there will be volatility. So unless he needs those funds for some reason, or he has a better alternative in terms of, selling those shares and parking it somewhere else, investing it somewhere else, I think you should continue to hold. As is the case always, I do suggest a trailing stop loss. In this case, it is at 615.
Got the view. Kosh, next caller coming in from Mumbai, and this is Rajan dialing in for a stock query. Rajan, welcome to Ask Profit, and thanks so much for dialing in. Very good morning to you. What's your query?
Very good morning, and since this being a first call in the new year, I am happy new year to you and your team.
Wish you the same, Rajan.
I have five Dixon Technologies purchase a year at 17,989.
Okay.
I am a long-term investor for 3 years.
Okay.
So I understand from the news item that there is some problem with the Motorola, with which they get a good revenue, Dixon Technology. So should I hold for another 2 years, or I would like to switch it over to Anand Rathi? Can you please advise?
Fair point, Rajan, and I hope you caught the conversation today, at least at the start of the show, on Anand Rathi shares and stock broking. But Sameer, let me come to you, and Rajan's highlighting a very pertinent point, Sameer, that there has been some challenges on Motorola losing some market share, inherently impacting Dixon. Also, some expectation that the input costs are going to be very high because of higher memory prices. What would you suggest Rajan to do? Because he's bought it at 17,989 and he can hold for the next 2 years. What would you recommend?
So I'd actually ask him to average some if he can. And my simple reason is that, look, after such a sharp correction that has happened, valuations now on a trailing basis are 33 and a forward basis about 28. We think that is reasonable for a company that is a high growth company. Yes, the Motorola sales may be a little damp, but you got to realize this is not a single product company. This has got multiple products. We've had a very tough year when it comes to ACs, to various other white goods, and we believe the turnaround that is going to come. Make in India play still on, and Dixon is going to be the largest beneficiary. So after the sharp correction, now I think it makes sense. At 17,000, it was a definite avoid for me.